Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and I have the great honor today to show you guys this beautiful 1968 Camaro, guys. This car's got a ton of modifications done to it. It's kind of got a sleeper look on the outside, but it's got really slick paint on it with the Z28-Style Stripes. It's got a 403 cubic inch big block underneath the hood that's all billet out and dressed up very nicely. It's got full QA1 suspension, guys. Coilovers on all four corners, Willwood brakes. It's also got a 4.9-inch rear end under the rear there to get the power to the ground without worrying about breaking that small 10 bolt. But overall, guys, this is a fantastic car that's had a ton of money invested into it to make it what it is today. But let's go ahead and start up front here. You've got this beautiful chrome bumper up here. You've got that awesome RS style grille with the hideaway headlights. I love the look of the RS style grille there with the hideaway headlights. The paint on this car is beautiful. The body work is amazing. This is a very, very high quality paint job on this car. You've got the rally wheels here. Behind those rally wheels, you do have some Willwood brakes there to help get this thing stopped. Your body lines and your gaps on this car are fantastic, guys. The hood, it sits in there nice and straight. All your chrome trim here is really, really nice and in great condition. Your mirror is in great condition. All the bright work is fantastic on this car. Your door is nice and straight. The body line is nice and straight and meets up with the fenders and the rear quarter here. Let's go ahead and open up the door. I like to just show you guys that the doors are not sagging and it shuts really nicely. All your windows roll up as they should as well. This rear quarter back here is just beautiful, and that metallic blue paint is just shining really bright with that sun hitting it. I have to wear sunglasses or I'd be going blind right now. As we look at the rear back here, your chrome bumper's in excellent condition. You've got them two-piece tail lights here on the back that look really nice. They are LED style tail lights there. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk so I can show you the inside of the trunk here. We do have a battery and a kill switch back here into the trunk, but the trunk is just as nice as the rest of the car with some carpet back here. You got a red top battery and you do have your kill switch here. But man, Justin, just show them the bottom side of this trunk here, how nice it is. Just a beautiful, beautiful 68 Camaro. Almost said 69. But guys, one thing that I do like to do is I like to run my finger over the stripes here. One way you can tell that it's got an awesome paint job is if you run your finger over those stripes and you don't feel any kind of indentation there or anything sticking up, that tells you the car has a lot of clear coat on it, and that's what gives this car that brilliant shine that it has. But guys, with that being said, let's work our way back up front so I can show you that big block under the hood. All right, guys, check out this awesome big block under the hood here. You got a lot of chrome and billet under the hood here. You've got the upgraded front drive accessories here that's upgraded to a serpentine belt. You get a power steering pump, an AC compressor, and an upgraded alternator, as well as water pump pulley. You do have these billet braces here as well on the front cross member. You've got an upgraded aluminum radiator to keep that big block nice and cool in traffic with two big electric fans. You've got an upgraded master cylinder that's chromed out over there as well. Overall, just a beautiful engine bay, not over the top done, but very clean and looks really nice, and plenty of power to get this Camaro down the road, guys. But with that being said, let's go ahead and move to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, guys, check out this beautiful interior on this 68 Camaro. The first thing that grabs your attention is this beautiful wood grain steering wheel. 3 spokes here, billet style spokes. It's got the Chevrolet bow tie here for the horn. You got the billet hub as well. You do have a tilt column in this car. You got some awesome blue Dakota digital gauges to match the exterior. You've got some upgraded, looks like aluminum pedals there that give it that race car feel. And as you can see, you do have that Hurst white ball shifter with the Hurst shifter there in the center console. You've got an upgraded radio there as well with the vintage AC controls. Your door panels are brand new. Your cranks here are brand new as well. Center console looks amazing. The seats are stock style 68 Camaro seats, but they're nice and comfortable. The material looks brand new as well. Your headliner is in awesome condition. Your back seat looks great. Overall, the interior looks like a brand new 68 Camaro with some modern touches to it. But wow, just a beautiful interior. But guys, let's get to my favorite part and let's take a drive. But before we do that, my partner just pointed at the paperwork here because I just about forgot this big stack of paperwork right in front of me. But this car has tons of documentation, guys. Just about every receipt on this car for every bolt, nut, paint job, everything is in the paperwork here. So we got tons of documentation on this car to show you the investment that was given to this car. But overall very nice. But guys, let's go ahead and take this beautiful car for a drive. All right guys, we're out cruising in the 68 Camaro. So far I'm very impressed. This QA1 suspension is fantastic. The 403 big block under the hood gives you plenty of power. The 4-speed transmission shifts really nice. The clutch feels good. The steering's nice and tight. It tracks straight down the road just like how you want it. The AC's blowing nice and cold on this warm 80-degree day here in Georgia. But man, overall a fantastic muscle car, guys. This Camaro is a great driver, and not only is it a great driver, it looks fantastic as well. This is a car that you can take to a cruise-in or a car show, and you're gonna get tons of looks, and you're probably gonna take some hardware home with this car. But overall, a fantastic build and a great driver, guys. But with that being said, let's get back to the shop so I can show you how clean the bottom side is. All right guys, we've got the 68 Camaro back here at the shop, and take a look at the bottom side of this car. It is absolutely beautiful under here. You can definitely tell that this car went through a nut and bolt restoration. Let's start up front here. You can see that you have your front cross member here. It's in great condition. You've got those QA1 tubular A-arms here. You do have dual adjustable coilovers as well. All your steering components up here look brand new and are in great condition. All your bushings and your boots look really nice. Gearbox looks brand new as well. Oil pan's nice and dry here. The transmission and bell housing's nice and dry as well. The whole bottom side of the car has been done in like an undercoating, kind of similar to like a bed liner, which I personally really like versus painting it all fancy like the blue on the top. Because if you're gonna drive this car, which is what this car was meant to do, is to be driven, it can get all chipped up. This is a lot tougher under here. It definitely protects against any kind of rock chips or anything like that with road debris coming up under the road. Your drive shaft's in awesome condition. You do have some stainless steel exhaust here. It's true dual all the way back to some mufflers right before the axle. You do have subframe connectors as well to keep this chassis nice and tight. All your fuel lines are ran nice and neat against the body of the car there. It looks really, really nice. Guys, you also have a 9-inch rear end out back with the full level 3 QA1 suspension out back with the single adjustable coilovers out back here. You do have 4-wheel disc brakes as well in this car that are Willwoods, 4 pistons on the front and the rear. Brand new gas tank, but overall a fantastic build, guys. And this car drives so amazing, guys. You just got to come down here and test drive it to really know what it's like, or buy the car and let me ship it to you so you can enjoy it around your hometown there and let all your friends be envious of you. Guys, but with that being said, give us a call at 770-738-7111 if you're interested in this beautiful 68 Camaro. We can help you with shipping, financing, insurance, anything that you need to help you get this car in your driveway. I can even talk to the wife to convince her if you need me to do that. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you're new to the channel, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And for all you guys that have been subscribed to the channel for a while, we appreciate your support, and we'll catch you on the next one.